Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cooking skills with HelloFresh, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Improving your cooking skills can be enjoyable and rewarding. HelloFresh makes it easy to elevate your culinary game. Start by choosing your meal plan on the HelloFresh website. Select recipes that pique your interest and match your skill level. Once you receive your meal kit, unpack the ingredients carefully. Familiarize yourself with the recipe cards included in the kit. Read through the entire recipe before beginning to cook. Gather all the necessary tools and utensils you'll need. Prep your ingredients by washing, chopping, and measuring as required. Follow each step on the recipe card closely. Don't rush, take your time to ensure everything is done correctly. Use the included time estimates to manage your cooking efficiently. If you encounter new techniques, like sautéing or searing, follow the instructions diligently. Taste as you go to adjust seasonings to your preference. Once the meal is cooked, plate it beautifully to enhance presentation. Enjoy the fruits of your labor while reflecting on what you learned. Consider keeping the recipe to try again later and improve your skills further. With each meal, your confidence and cooking abilities will grow. Embrace the process and have fun discovering new flavors. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different recipes. HelloFresh can be your partner in this exciting culinary journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.